Erminalia fernandiniana, also known as the Kakadu plum, identifies itself as a round green berry-like figure before ripe, rich with antioxidants. Soon to bloom into a yellow oval-shaped large seed located in top end of northern Australia. Indigenous individuals across Arnhem Land have been utilising this superfood for everything, from the source of food to a healing remedy and even an antiseptic. The thriving trees that contain the Kakadu plum come to fruit at the start of every dry season in May. Snake vine, on the other hand, is identified as a species of flowering plant in the family of the Doliaceae and is a native to Australia, however, widely cultivated. It grows approximately 4 metres in length and is a sprawling evergreen shrub with glossy leaves and solitary yellow flowers. The leaves of the flower are elliptic and ovate and average 6 metres in length. The fruit consists of segments of bright orange flesh, each surrounding a black seed. However, you can't eat the flesh because a minute after eating, you will experience a burning sensation. To ensure that all the antioxidants are pulled from the Kakadu plum, the fruit is first freezed, dried, and crushed into a powder to be used as a nutritional supplement in superfoods, whereas the snake vine is mashed into a paste or crushed. The Kakadu plum contains an immense amount of vitamin C. It has also been identified to contain benzoic acids, flavonols, and is a good source of gallic acid and ellagic acid, which both demonstrate antioxidant, anti-carcinogenic activity in vitro. The plant is also very rich in chlorophyll and chlorophyll B, which are proven to relieve oxidative stress. Lutein, an antioxidant for eye health, is contained in the fruit as well as hesperidin glycoside, K-empephrol, and glucoside quercetin antioxidants. Minerals such as zinc, calcium, potassium, sodium, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, and molybdenum are also identified in the fruit. In terms of survival of redox state and cell survival, the Kakadu plum is an example of an oxidative metabolism booster for energy production, meaning that all aerobic cells generate and receive oxygen species. Natural antioxidants have formed a growing interest around the public to protect the body against a variety of diseases. For example, consumption of beverages such as teas and fruit juices, which are rich in flavonoids, and it has been associated with the decline of serum cholesterol and systolic blood pressure, therefore decreasing the chance of developing coronary heart disease. However, there is no evidence that suggests the plant has begun testing for bioactivity other than its antioxidant activity. Cancer formation associates itself with the Kakadu plum as the ellagic acid found in the plant has been shown to induce apoptosis cancer cell lines as well as suppressing angiogenesis. Phytochemical studies of the nutritional value of the Kakadu plum have depicted the fruit to be high in important polyphenolic antioxidants, which include ellagic and gallic acids. Pure ellagic and gallic acids and their derivatives have been previously shown to be antibacterial and have to have cytotoxic activity towards cancer cells, while being non-toxic to normal cell lines. Phytochemicals, ellagic and gallic acids, and the cellular mechanisms involved can potentially lead to the anti-tumorigenic treatment of tumors. The Kakadu plum is also involved with cell death, as regulated cell death, also known as apoptosis, is a regulated cell death program that involves a mechanism of cell replacement, tissue remodeling, and subsequent removal of damaged cells. Apoptosis is characterized by cell shrinkage, chromatome condensation, and internucleosomal DNA fragmentation. It has also been identified the Kakadu plum has been linked to this. Snakevine contains phosphate A2, which is an inflammatory device, as the key active ingredient. Phosphate A2 recognizes the SN2 acyl bond of phospholipids and catalytically hydrolyzes the bond, releasing arachidonic acid and lysophosphatidic acid. Hence, snakevine can be for decreasing arthritis.